little more juice. Dump truck's killing it. I'm romping up what? Oh, yeah. Look, at any temperature, if I put these feet in boots, they start sweating and they start stinking. So it's better to get frostbite than to stink out all my friends on the car ride home. So this is a sacrifice I'm willing to make.
What happened? Are you okay?
I'm good. What did I hit?
Dude, you ran off the trailer ramp.
Oh my goodness. Well, I guess this will make it easier to show the viewers all the damage we did at the dunes yesterday. But anyways, yeah, I was too busy focusing on setting up NordVPN on my laptop here, and I wasn't paying attention to where I was going. Bro, do you have a VPN?
No, what's a VPN?
Dude, you gotta get a virtual private network. It makes your online privacy and internet connection way safer. I use NordVPN, and it comes in clutch when I'm out on the road and need to upload a YouTube video using some sketchy public Wi-Fi. And with NordVPN's threat protection feature, I'm guarded against malware, web trackers, and intrusive ads. And if I accidentally click on a sketchy link, NordVPN's threat protection will quickly scan that link, and if it detects that it's corrupt, it'll halt me from landing on that dangerous website. NordVPN is also super easy to use. I got my VPN right here. I just hit quick connect, and it automatically connects to the best VPN for my area. And according to Speed Test, NordVPN is the fastest VPN on the market. You can try Nord risk-free with their 30-day money-back guarantee. Just go to nordvpn.com/HunterGoodrich to learn more about this exclusive offer. All right, let's go check on all the damage underneath. All right, about to try to get this thing flipped over. As you can see, well, it's hard to see, but that housing cracked in half. So our transmission's in two pieces again. We blew out a rear drive line, which I put back in for this stunt. And this front axle is toasted. Ooh. We just out here. Just chilling at the dunes. Woo! We got the boys down there. Get ready to jump old Stubby. Let's go. Yeehaw! I believe he's coming right to you. FYI. Let's go! Let's go! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh! Woo-hoo! Freaking sick, dude. Caught like 3 feet of air that time. 3 feet. All right, same jump, same hill climb, with a little more speed at the top. See how much air we can get. He's getting the proper run up this time. Let's go. Let's go! Rick, watch out! Hey! 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 Oh, you might have just about died! I almost just killed him, huh? That was so close, dude, to being terrible. Oh, that was close to being terrible, but so awesome! Your jump, dude. Was it good? Killed it. I still lit off a little bit, and it wasn't that bad of a landing. It's pretty smooth. No, it wasn't. I mean, about as smooth as could be. Yeah. You know, definitely bottoming out. 5,000-pound diesel. Yeah. But it's hopping in. You ready for this?
Heck yeah.
No, we're both stuck on this one. Alright, we had fun with that jump. Now we're gonna go to the whoop section and do a lot of violent whoops. See how that goes. And then if we survive that, we'll go find an even better. It's so violent in here. All the You'll want to be out of the truck for this one. Alrighty, whoop section. Here goes nothing.
Uh-oh.
You're going drive line. Rear drive line. Gosh darn it.
She gone.
Oh, yep.
Darn.
Dude, you should have seen yourself going over those. It's like
I was gonna smell
two wheels in the back the entire time.
Oh, she's such a She was bouncing like crazy.
Oh, it handles the whoops good.
Dude, that was
Gosh, wish our driveline was good.
Whoop eater right there, dude. And then
Well, I could try a front wheel drive whoop section on the beans, and might have to do it in reverse or something. Gosh, we need look, these turbo IDIs make the power to have a lot of fun out here and turn these 38-inch paddle tires. It sends some sand some places, but we need some better suspension. It's a bucking Bronco inside. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to build a proper desert truck. Yeah, I'm hooked now. Oh yeah.
yeah, can you guys hold this? We don't need it anymore.
Where we're going, we don't need. All right, reverse whoop section. Here we go. Pretty good. Not too shabby. What should we do now? There's not much more we can do without our paddle tires. Just front wheel drive.
Yeah, that'd make it real easy to get stuck.
Little front wheel drive, reverse donut to seal off the day.
He's down! Stupid log! She's a little warm.
Yeah, engine didn't like that.
No, not at all.
What's that noise? I guess it's gargling. There's a lot of oil everywhere. Oh my gosh! My ground popped off. Let's get that guy back where it belongs. Other than that, everything looks fine under here. We're one-wheel drive. Hopefully the engine will fire back up and we can creep out of here, because we are close to home right over there. Man, who would have thought the little grand finale of a good day has been the front-wheel drive DUNES that really did this truck in. Blew that yoke, which is kind of to be expected, full throttle cranked like that. Just cooled down for 3 minutes. We'll try to crank her back up. Sounds like it doesn't have much compression on 6 to 7 of 8 cylinders. Huh. I mean, I'm not seeing any oil pressure when I crank on it, so this engine might be blown. IDIs, man. All right, let's flip it back to the trailer.
Just a little bit closer. Ah, come on. Just a hair more, yeah.
She's on there. We got her on there. One-wheel drive.
One-wheel drive.
Can we give a round of applause to the old IDI here? These engines continue to impress me. It still drove to the trailer, just one-wheel drive, loaded itself on the trailer, and now we're ready to get out of here. We got a full video, destroyed the truck. It's time to go back home and rebuild it even better. Because I think we need to get back to the dunes with this thing. That was a blast today. Let's rip. All right, now that I have your attention, we're going to fix the STUB truck from all the damage we did to it at the dunes. So, we got to replace this axle shaft, and we have to get the new transmission housing in. So, first things first, we got to jack up this front tire. Now, what do you think the best way to do that is? I don't care what you think the best way is, because I want the worst way. We have a forklift, so I don't feel like bringing it up to the front. We have jacks, but they only halfway work. I don't feel like jacking it off for a minute.
Yeah.
So here's what I'm thinking. Put this ramp here. I'll drive up the ramp. You can be right here. Perfect. Place a jack stand as it falls off the ramp and lands on the jack stand. Should work great, right?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. What could go wrong?
Or how about you drive it?
I like that.
Okay. Okay. Keep going. More.
Who's putting their foot there?
All right, just go for 1 second at a time. All right, gal. Fish up again.
That'd be real nice if we could lock it in.
Yeah, you know, we don't have an axle shaft there, so that's off the table. How about we just back off of this? I'll catch it on the on the down travel. All right, go for it. Reverse. It works so perfectly. So you guys are learning something new every time you watch one of my videos. Another shot pack.
You're good to go. Oh, okay.
Hey, they do close.
One of my favorites, the hood scoop.
I know, it's looking a little sad, ain't it?
Yeah, that's aerodynamic. That's
Yeah, it's
racing.
more aerodynamic and it still flows all the exhaust out of it.
Right to the windshield. I love it. Yeah, that's the limited edition racing stack. That's
Look, in some of these cracks, there's literally air that goes through, so our soot can get through there. See that gap?
oh, okay, yeah. Better airflow.
Look, it's like a little 16th inch gap. No, we'll probably have to remove the windshield eventually. But for now, got this jacked up. We just need to pull apart this corner, slide our new axle shaft in, and that'll be golden. We also need to get one of the 38-inch tires back on this speed with some starting fluid so we can slap it back up on this corner. So let's get to it. Ta-da!
Oh, come on. That was fun by hand.
Yeah. Well, here's the thing. I went to the junkyard to try to get an axle shaft out. I tried the old hammer and chisel technique, and it wasn't working. So then I finally got one. And I went back to the junkyard, and I saw another truck with the same axle shaft, but the axle shaft was already pulled out and just laying on the gravel. So I think it's the right axle shaft. It may just be a random shaft that was in the gravel. So that's what I got, because that was easier.
Guess we'll find out.
So we still haven't broken in the old spanner socket here, but it'll at least make things easier today. I don't know why I got angry, but there we go. You know what's wrong with it?
Well, you see, the problem is these edges are too rough. We need to file these down and make them smooth.
And then we'll just weld a new U-joint into these.
Yeah.
All right, let's lay it on the ground and see if my mystery shaft will fit. Everybody's always like, these businesses are selling mystery boxes and stuff. You sign up to my mystery shaft subscription every month. I'll send you a new mystery shaft. No, in the mail. You're going to get.
Oh, you're getting an actual shaft. Right?
Maybe it's something like this. Yeah, it might just be like broken truck parts. We're accumulating quite a bit of those. So, log in to onlyshafts.com to log in to my subscription info, and you'll get sent parts off my trucks every month. It's not how a U-joint's supposed to look. Okay. Oh yeah.
As our dear friend Derek would say.
Okay, those snap rings are in. We'll just put on this cap and we'll be done with this front corner. Fine, let's just try one at a time, I guess. That's how it's supposed to work.
Let's go.
No. It popped off. Get on it, Aaron. Number 3 is done. You know how we're gonna do that? Okay. Hold it there. Jeep. Yeah, you can roll off. Now it's time for everybody's favorite segment, Hunter and Aaron pull a transmission without a trans jack. All right, we got our handy dandy strap here holding up the trans. The strap never lets us down, as you guys know. Now we will remove this cross member, pull the transfer case out, show you guys just how this thing broke. And then I got a new housing from the junkyard that we're gonna replace this with. Grab the front of this transfer case. And grab. Oh yeah. Now, as you can see, this housing broke all the way around. So now we're going to undo the bolts that hold the other half of this housing and then replace this midsection. So that's what it's looking like on this side. I think this shaft is still gonna be straight. It looks pretty dang strong. But I just need to remove these 4 bolts. Alrighty, there's that housing. This one looks slightly different. Let's try to make sure it's the same.
Yeah, the same width, bolt pattern appears to be the same. They look like they'll be good.
This one just has these 2 holes, which is nicer for this mount we have, but if that's the only difference, then we're golden. Or whatever.
It's good enough.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, it's just lining up inside, I think.
Oh, so cute.
Yeah, no, that's my eardrums. Okay, yeah, a little higher. Oh, perfect.
There you go. All right, let's get this cross member in.
Signature move there.
Come back. 2, 3. Oh, there's one. Get it together. Your bolt started. I'm sliding all over.
I'm struggling to get a bolt in there. Oh, that's the perfect hole lineup now. I gotta find a bolt. I found one.
Excellent. All right. Cross members in. Okay, all that's left is the front and rear drive line. We'll be back in business.